Ladies and gentlemen, ladies, this is Amateur Contender Series. We are live from Greater Noida. This event is supervised by All India Mixed Martial Arts Association. And we've got Akash Rawat in the red corner, fighting out of Indian top team, taking on Sagar Thapa in the black shorts, representing the blue corner. Both these guys are actually experienced amateurs. Referee in the cage, Ranjeev Sharma ji. And the bout begins. Guys, all my money is on Akash Rawat. All my money is on Akash Rawat. Oops. Oh, excellent combinations. Wow. Some excellent technical work on the cage by both these guys. We've got Akash stuck in the half guard position. All he needs to do is just pass the guard, get on the mount and start throwing punches. But it seems that Sagar is again tenacious on the ground. He's controlling Akash pretty well. Sagar is fighting out of Mutant Academy, Dehradun. He's got an experienced corner here who's giving him pretty much technical advice. And we've got Gurkaran Singh Sani in Akash Rawat's corner. Ladies and gentlemen, this is why, this is what I like about amateur MMA, when experienced amateur guys, especially the technical ones, come inside the cage.
बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं आकाश.
I think Sagar was actually trying to go for a Kimura. He is trying to lock in a Kimura. Wow.
अभी तक राहुल आकाश ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है.
बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, but wow, good escape by Akash. Whoa, I think he's locking in an arm triangle. Wow, that's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. Akash has the arm triangle. Suraj just trying to escape. Akash is trying to lock in properly by holding Suraj in his guard. Well, I think this is game over. I think this is over. That there is no escape.
लेकिन 10 सेकंड रह गए हैं राहुल राउंड में, so he might be saved by the bell.
His luck plays a good part here.
Yeah, he's going to be saved by the bell.
Well, he cannot roll. He cannot roll. He cannot roll because he's stuck in the guard. Ladies and gentlemen, that was round 1.
क्या बोलते हो राहुल पहले राउंड का?
Akash, भाई Akash Rawat. So Akash Rawat is actually more technical here. He's been proving in to be more dominant in this bout. But let's move on to this bout. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Amateur Contender Series. We've got Akash Rawat in the red corner, taking on Suraj Thapa in the blue corner, wearing black shorts. Whoa.
Solid exchanges over there.
A good right hand attempt by
बहुत
Akash.
ही वाइल्ड स्विंग्स किए, लेकिन आकाश ने टाइमली अपने आप को डिफेंड किया और टेक डाउन ले लिया.
Akash is again stuck in Suraj's guard. Whoa. I think all Akash needs to do is try and get on the mount, get out of the side control, and then start landing punches one by one. Manan, Akash has been dominating this round too. Do you think it's a finish in this round?
I think this could go to the third round because even though Akash is dominating, he's not doing anything that could finish the fight.
Well, he locks in the same arm triangle once again. And I think this time it's tighter. If he doesn't submit here...
It's a guillotine this time.
We've got Sagar Thapa in the side control. Well, this is a very technical fight, man. And, you know, look at the way these guys are actually playing chess on the ground.
मैं जानता हूँ राहुल आपको इस तरह की fights बहुत
This is orgasmic for me. Do you know? This is actually orgasmic for me. Oh, Sagar trying to lock in a triangle here. Whoa, that's a nice.
बहुत ही बढ़िया defend किया सूरज ने, बहुत ही बढ़िया.
Suraj trying to get in the position. He probably he's going in for a rear naked, but Sagar knows that. Sagar is. Oh. Both these guys very tenacious on the ground. 10 more seconds in round 2. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was round 2. We've got Akash Rawat in the red corner taking on Sagar Thapa. Guys, this entire event is live. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is round 3. So far, Akash Rawat has been dominating this bout. Let's see who gets this one. Sagar Thapa is very determined and he's very technical as well, Manan. So we've seen both. Oh, that's a nice.
बहुत ही hard shot था.
Crazy shot.
Flat straight on the chin, man.
And
ये shot game बदल सकता है पूरी.
बिल्कुल. We've got Sagar trying to take on to the mount.
और राहुल ये पंच भी तब लगा जब वो अंदर आ रहे थे.
बिल्कुल.
तो डबल इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है, डबल फोर्स पड़ती है.
Look at the way Akash has reversed it. So this is what I like about, you know, the game. Look at this is actually a game of chess between both these amateur guys. Wow, that's an omoplata attempt, but not successful.
बहुत ही मजेदार फाइट है. इतना हार्ड पंच लेने के बाद भी वो इंटेलिजेंटली ग्रैपल कर पा रहे हैं. That is great fighting. That is high quality fighting.
Manan, look at the way Akash has locked in Suraj's leg so that he doesn't pass the guard. This is highly technical. You know, much kudos to both their teams, the Indian top team as well as the Mutant Academy, Dehradun. Excellent work. You know, these guys are actually breeding assassins in their gym.
राहुल, अब पॉइंट ये है कि आकाश पहले 2 राउंड जीत गया है. सूरज को अगर ये राउंड जीतना है तो उसको फिनिश करना होगा. आकाश को उसको टीकेओ लेना होगा. वो सिर्फ एक राउंड जीतने से फाइट नहीं जीतेगा.
Again, look at the reversal. Look at the beautiful reversal.
That was a great reversal.
Akash. Well, that was a heavy shot indeed, Manan. वो बहुत ही प्यारा शॉट था. वो Suraj again tries to go in for a Kimura.
मुझे ये देख के खुशी हो रही है राहुल कि आकाश की लड़ने की कैपेबिलिटी कम नहीं हुई उस शॉट के बाद.
Manan, सागर के साथ भी यही है. You know, Sagar has been so determined in this fight and he's highly technical as well. A few more seconds to this round.
Would you say Akash is the superior grappler though? Even though they're both talented, they're both good, but you know, Akash has been dominating on the ground. So, would you say he's the superior grappler here?
Well, I think so. I think so. Akash is a superior grappler here, but at the same time, I just look at the way Sagar has been attempting submissions and his positions and his ground control. So both these guys are very technical, very experienced, and this is the kind of fight that we should be watching in the amateur series.
Yeah.
Referee stops the fight. This is round 3. So both these fighters have been excellent in their game. 3 rounds done.
सही कह रहे हो राहुल आप, ये काफी हाई क्वालिटी फाइट थी.
All right, so Akash gets this bout as predicted, but an excellent job done by Sagar Thapa. Both these guys are excellent fighters.